Hey you guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So today's video I'm super excited for. It's an unboxing featuring a small black owned business that I worked with before. They are called Olie oils. I call it Olie oils, but it could be Olie oils. But I'm like 80% sure it's Olie oils. But yeah, it's an unboxing. The owner reached back out to me and sent me some more products. I really did enjoy the last package of products they sent me. I have videos featuring them, an unboxing, a twist out which came out bomb.com, and I can't wait to look at and try these next batch of products. So let's just get into this unboxing. So this is the package that it was sent in, and you open it and that is that. So it's actually more stuff than I got the first time. The first time I got two products. It was the berry curl conditioner and the heal and repair deep conditioner, if I'm not mistaken. So today they sent me the Mitzi's Daily Blends, the moisture mist, and the Kato's curl custard. So yes, that's that, and I'm just gonna pick them up one at a time. I'll tell you what it is, you know. Okay, this is a nice like size product. So this is the moisture mist. The moisture mist is an aloe-based detangling mist, great for adding moisture to dry, brittle, and damaged hair. It can be used as braid mist to help soothe the scalp. Okay, so it's good for protective styles. That smells good. I think it smells minty. You just mist it to your hair and scalp as desired. This is made with organic rosemary, sweet weed, black rue, gold bloom, olive fruit oil, willow bark extract, ginger extract, peppermint, and essential oils. So I told you it smelled like peppermint. It got a lot more stuff in there. I just didn't want to read through the whole list. So yeah, this is the moisture mist. I like the packaging. It's like a pretty color. Okay, so this is the Mitzi's Daily Blend. Let me see what color it is. Oh, okay. That's what color it is. Kind of clear. Oh, now that smells delicious. So this Mitzi's Daily Blend is a blend of oils and herbs that help strengthen and grow hair. Period. Apply to scalp and ends of hair as needed. This has organic coconut oil, Madagascar vanilla bean, that's why it smells delicious, liquid coconut oil, peach kernel oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, soybean oil, papaya oil, biotin, that's good for hair growth. I'm gonna try to say this, but I'm pretty sure I'm saying it wrong. Serenoa, Reapins extracts, horsetail extract. It has really good ingredients in there, what I just read off. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my God, that smells so delicious. I can't wait to use this. I cannot wait to use this. And this last product is the Kato's Curl Custard. So this defines your natural curl pattern without weighing hair down, making wash and go simple and easy to manage. Build-up is now a thing of the past. Simple defining your curls and coils with Kato's Curl Custard. So apply to wet hair to accentuate curls as a curl definer, provides moisture and shine as well as hold. Okay, so this kind of smells like peppermint as well. It got pure water, magui syrup, scorpium honey, soybean oil, corn sugars, gum, waterlock, ficus, carica extract. Girl, I gotta start researching this stuff so I don't sound so dumb. I don't know if I should pair this with something when I use it or use it by itself. I don't know. That's it for this unboxing. Again, we have the Kato's Curl Custard. That's what it looks like. We have the Mitzi's Daily Blend, which smells delicious, and I love this packaging. And we have the Moisture Mist, which I'm actually also excited for because it says it soothes the scalp. And it's not that I have such like a irritated scalp, but I love products that soothe the scalp basically. Okay, so I don't know if I want to do a twist out. I think I was going to do a twist out, but I don't know if I should do it just with this. I mean, it would be with just these two, huh? I don't know. The owner said that she would recommend using it for either a twist out or a wash and go. Before I use it, I'm gonna message her and ask, should I pair it with the berry? Do she want me to pair it with the berry curl conditioner, or to use it on its own? Because I don't know. Because it sounded like it's good, you know what I mean, to just use by itself. Oh, yeah, it does feel moisturizing. It's a nice, it's like a nice softening feeling. Yeah, it smells really good. It feels very quality as well. I don't know. I hope this was a good unboxing to you guys. I'm like kind of sleepy. I've been up all day, so I think that's it for this unboxing. I don't know if I have anything else to say. Hopefully I gave y'all enough information on these products. If y'all are interested, be sure to check out my description box, because down below I will have links below to my other two Olie oil videos. One an unboxing and the other a twist out video. I feel like y'all should really check out the twist out video, because like I said, that twist out came out bomb. So yeah, be sure to check my description box for those two videos. But other than that, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I want to see you in my next one. Bye-bye.